This is the 90-ton Cincinnati Autoform CNC press brake. It does have crowning, it does have hydraulic clamping. Give you a bit of an overview here. Also has a standard floppy and a USB port. We've got it under power here. We're going to go ahead and show you the back gauge. It's got some moves programmed in. Machine also has power clamping here. That's all there is to it. Runs great, sounds great. Very, very nice machine. Ready to go.